So we're on the last one now about dividing algebraic terms. So when dividing algebraic terms containing pronumerals and numbers, we just need to follow these steps. The first step is to write the division as a fraction. The second step is to cancel the numbers and pronumerals if possible. And step 3 is to write your answer as a fraction. Now, what I want to just do a quick reminder of is that if we have, for example, 2 over 2, that is going to equal to 1. 5 over 5 is going to equal to 1 because it's like saying 2 divided by 2 or 5 divided by 5. We also, if we had x over x, that's going to equal to 1 because any number divided by itself will equal to 1. Now let's have a look here. We have 5x divided by 10. So I've just written it as my fraction. Now, 5 and 10 have a common factor, and that common factor is 5. Now we know to get 5, we do 1 times 5, and to get 10, we can do 2 times 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel in the 5 and the 10. So basically what that means is I'm going to say that 5 goes into 5 once and 5 goes into 10 twice. So that gives me 1x over 2. Remembering the conventions, we don't have to write the 1, so that simply leaves me with x over 2. Okay, in part B, we have 21x over 7x. Okay, so that's nice and straightforward. Now let's have a look at the 7 and the 21. So here, the highest common factor for 7 and 21 is 7, because 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 7 is 7. So we can cancel that by saying 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 21 3 times. We also have the x over here, so we can cancel those because x goes into x once, x goes into x once. And that's going to leave us very simply with 3, because 3 over 1 is equal to 3, just like up here. Okay? Now, just rub that one out for you. Now here on part C, we've already got the division in place, so we just need to cancel. So what we can do, because f divided by f is 1, we can cancel there. And then we have a look at our common factor here for 5 and 15. So 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. So that leaves us with very simply 1/3. Now in part D, again, I'm going to cancel here. So I'm going to cancel the y here and the y here. And then there's nowhere to cancel this x with, so that's going to stay there. And then with 8 and 6, we have a common factor of 2. So 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. And that's going to leave us with 4x over 3.